Bruce, we're on.
It's not what you think. Open for suggestions. Martini. This is the dumbest thing you've had me do yet, Aaron. Let's just make the damn drink. You know, there was a reason for all that nonsense. We're making today a something called Windex. Yeah, okay. Let's do it. I'm afraid. Why would you call it that? Okay, we're gonna start with 1 ounce of lime juice. 1 ounce lime juice. Doesn't look very Windexy to me. It's funny how, you know, we associate Windex with glass cleaner. Hey honey, where's the Windex? We do the same thing. I mean, this is like crazy marketing, I guess. Word association. I mean, where's the plastic wrap, right? No, you don't say, got any saran wrap? You know?
Kleenex.
Kleenex, there's another one. Yeah, Kleenex. I don't think there's any for toilet bowl, is there? Toilet bowl cleaner?
Toilet duck? Where's the duck?
Where's the duck? There's a million of them, I'm sure. Aluminum foil.
That's aluminum foil.
Alcan. Where's the Alcan?
Who says Alcan?
Hey, honey, I'm just going to the store to get some Alcan. What? That sounds like dog food, doesn't it? It's kind of weird. Okay, back to what we're doing here. Putting it all over the bar. And that's why I love doing this show, right? Makes a hell of a mess.
I'm supposed to say because you get to try a lot of new things.
Oh, yeah, that too. Yeah. There's an ounce. All right, let's clean up our mess. Wasn't there a commercial? Life is messy. Clean it up. What were they selling?
Paper towels?
Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, paper towels. Yeah. I'm sure there's a few others.
Remember when detergent commercials used to advertise you could get blood out of clothing? They don't do that anymore. Or do you remember dish detergent?
Yeah.
Remember commercials of dish detergent where the main feature of this dish detergent is you can have really disgusting, cloudy, muddy, brown water, and you can still clean that one last wine glass, and it comes out crystal clean.
But Daddy's gonna do the dishes now.
Wait till Daddy sees the cold burger grease.
Oh, nasty stuff.
But Dawn will rescue Daddy. Dawn cuts the grease, breaks it up, takes it away.
Looks terrific.
But one more glass.
And that greasy water. It looks as clean as the first, and my hands don't feel greasy.
So, you like Dawn?
It's a great name. But what if it's a boy?
Dawn takes grease out of your way.
They don't show that anymore.
Where do I get some of that detergent? I need some. Okay, what's next? Hang on.
Assuming it's something blue, Bruce.
All right, blah, blah, blah. Okay, we got vodka. We got vodka. Vodka. Yeah, ooh, it's in a nice blue bottle. Ocean vodka. This is so difficult to pour, this guy. But we're just gonna go with a half an ounce. There's 3/4 of an ounce. Close enough! Oh, shit, man. Yeah. Triple sec. We're gonna go with a half an ounce. And we'll try and be a little more accurate here. It's okay that I went 3/4 of an ounce there. it just gives it a little bit more oomph. So yeah, triple sec. I'm not going for the expensive orange liqueurs on this. And to get it blue, Curacao. You mean I gotta have to go out and buy another bottle soon? Oh my God. I really don't. I'm not a big fan, you know. It does pretty up drinks, but as far as taste is concerned, debatable. Okay. Windex. I see it is pretty color. It's a very pretty color. Yes, it is. And that's all she wrote. So let's fill this with ice. Pop a lid on. And shake it squeaky clean. I'm making the windows laugh. Remember that one?
Mommy, you're making the windows laugh.
The one and only Windex. For windows so clean, you can hear them laugh.
Shake it up. All right. Good enough. And I guess we better get our glass. Our frozen glass out of the freezer. Did I put one in here? Huh. Screw it, you know. I'm just gonna grab one off the shelf because it'll take too long to chill up. And by that time, our drink will have diluted too much. Right? So we're just going to fine strain this wonderful Windex into our glass. Now, garnish. Let's see here. What the, I don't know. I keep pulling this book upside down. Garnish with a lemon twist. Okay. The book says garnish with a lemon twist, which I have right here. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't like it like that. That's better. Pa-pa. Windex. Okay. Let's give it a go. It looks pretty. Oh. Actually, maybe I've been drinking Windex too long. Smells Windexy.
Does it really?
Yeah, smell, Aaron. What do you think?
Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah, isn't it? Isn't it?
Sure, there's no like lingering.
What the hell did we put in this again?
My memory is as good as yours.
Oh yeah. Vodka triple sec curacao. Well, yeah, it's kind of weird. Vodka triple sec curacao lime juice. I don't know what it is. I don't like the smell, but let's try it and see. I mean, for starters, why would you use triple sec and curacao? Because curacao is orange flavor, and so is triple sec. Double whammy, I guess. Well, I guess you use the bowl's curacao for the color. Ooh. Yeah, I don't like that. Weird. I don't like that at all. Hang on. Hang on. Just cleansing my palate. I don't know, there's a funk. There's a real funk to it.
Could any of your curacao be bad? Your orange liqueurs be bad?
They don't really go bad.
But your triple sec.
They don't really go bad. They get stale. But that's a good suggestion. Let's find out, you know. All right. That's a little funky. Yeah. It's not bad. It's just stale. Yeah. So we'll get rid of that. Do we make another? I don't think so.
So what is it you don't like about this?
It's got a funk. It's got a funk to it. And I don't mean funk. I don't mean funk. It's funky, man. Actually, my taste buds are kind of acclimatizing to it now. It's okay. Not great. Is it a martini? No. Okay, you know, on second thought, we need to give this a fair chance. You know, swap out the triple sec for Cointreau. Garnish? Nah. Nah. Oh, that smells much fresher. Much better, much better. Why am I going back to this one? Comparison. Oh, Jesus. No. It's quite perky. Perky is a good word. Yeah, the perky Windex cocktail. I don't know. Martini. It's not a martini. Shut up. It still isn't a martini, but it is delightful. And throw away your old triple sec. Just saying.